Future Programmers Assemble. Great Valley hosted 3 unique camps for elementary and middle school students surrounding video games and app coding. Coding. Apps for Good was a camp for middle schoolers where they learned the concept of programming through a variety of fun projects that supported student-driven community service. 4th through 6th graders in arcade game coding and Minecraft for Beginners made arcade games using a visual program called Scratch. Along with Minecraft sessions, the students engaged in other video game activities that don't require computer technology. Finally, 1st through 3rd graders used the introductory Scratch Junior program to solve problems, design projects, and express themselves creatively in their Coding with Scratch Junior and Minecraft Experience Camp. Our coding camps had students begin to program their own creativity to last the entire summer.